Good morning students, welcome back again to the 10th class computer classes. Last time we discussed about the indentation and spacing. After that we will discuss about the tab. Now we will going to continue with the tab option again. As we already say, with the help of tab option you can increase or decrease the space between the characters when you press the tab key. So if you want to increase or decrease the space with the help of tab key, so you can go to the home tab. From the home tab, go to the page layout option. From page layout option or page layout group, you have to select the paragraph option. So when you select the paragraph option, a dialog box will appear that contain two tabs. First one is indentation and spacing. So first option is indentation and spacing, and second option is the lines and page break. So from indentation and spacing you have to click over the tab button. So when you click over the tab button, tab option will appear, and from that tab option you can increase or decrease the tab size to set the tab value. In that way you can increase or decrease the tab. Next option, indentation, that we have already discussed how to increase or decrease the indent with the help of ruler. Alternative way to increase or decrease the indent is go to the paragraph option or paragraph dialog box. You will get a tab indentation and spacing. Here you will get an option indentation, and from indentation part there is two option, that is left and right. From left and right indentation we can increase or decrease the value to set the indentation. Below that there is a spacing option. From the spacing option you will get two more option. First option is after and second option is before. So basically spacing is used to increase or decrease the space between the two lines of a paragraph. Suppose that this is your paragraph, first line, when you press the enter, second line, third line. So whatever the space between first and second line or second or third line of a paragraph, that is spacing we want to increase or decrease. So we can increase or decrease with the help of that option, with the help of after or before section. So in such a way we can increase or decrease or set the spacing. So now you can understand that spacing means the distance between two vertical lines or of a paragraph. So in this session, modifying layout of a paragraph, again we will revise that what we have learned so that you can understand it better way. Firstly, we have discussed about the alignment option. So you have to study the alignment option and also make the notes within your notebook with the help of book. Then second, we discuss about indentation and spacing, and the third one is tab. So these three sections we have discussed within our session 1, that is modifying layout of a paragraph. In the next class we will discuss that how can we manage the header and footer of a document. Thank you.